Today we'll talk about how can you change your name on your StubHub app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on profile down here, you just click here on profile. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here, then you click here on contact. Here, just click on it. When you click on contact, it's going to take you to this list. So just switch into open video here. So then it's going to show for you like this. You come here to full name, click in this sign. Then it's going to take you to this list here. And here can you change your name. So I'm going to add name here. Then you click on save, then it's going to save with you. Sorry, I'm going to enter it again. Then you click here on save, then it's going to save with you now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.